of being hot boy static and what? Removing the complete spring. 1, 2, 3. I love it. Front's all dialed in, rear's all dialed in. Okay, actually, we started. Another day, another vlog. Talk to them. What are we doing today?
Shopping.
We're gonna get some brackets for license plate, and then we are gonna be slamming, and I actually mean slamming, the CV1 Accord. Last time we installed BC Coilovers, but this time we're gonna fully send it. He's finally committed.
Saying go lower.
Yeah, we have seen all the comments. We got the Slam God with us today.
Going lower.
Going lower, full send on that one.
Fitment God.
Oh, whiskies. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day today. If you're new to the channel, do us a solid. Go down, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, let's get to shopping and then straight to slamming Johnson's CV1 Honda Accord. We've officially made it back to the shop, or I would say the garage. We're gonna bring it in and we're gonna start slamming this thing. Slowly but surely, we're bringing it in with new blast pipes. If you guys haven't checked out the other video, tune in, check it out. We're about to get straight to it. All right, you guys, so car is no longer gonna be at where it's at. Monster truck fitment right now, but Johnson he agreed, he signed the contract and everything. He says once we go low, we're not going back. So we're gonna focus on the rear right now. I'm gonna give you guys kind of like some quick debrief step by step on how to like adjust your suspension height if you got BCs or any coilovers in general. Then we're gonna tackle on the front. We're gonna go for a test drive. Boy, putting in work. That guy kicked the wood. It's good, smack that thing off. Give it a quick kick. Come on, brother, come on. This is technician right here. Technician Johnson in the house.
Brother.
So if you guys ever need a spare change, you know who to hit up. He'll take care of your tire. 20 hours left. Oh, there we go. Slowly. Go ahead.
I'm scared to hit this bitch too, bro.
Bro, you got Crocs on. 20 hours later.
How the other one come out so easy?
Because you gotta send it.
Nah, nigga, that's the other one was soft.
You were soft.
You are soft. Alright, here we go. Spring is out, you guys. Thanks to the tuner himself. And this big piece of wood we got. 17 millimeter. Pop that out. Like I said, we're gonna go lower. So I think since we're gonna be static crazy boys, we're gonna get rid of that top sleeve and just ride straight shock, or I would say spring. Sand it. So with that, don't forget to put the plastic grommet on the bottom. That way it's not scraping or anything. Does it have a plastic on top?
What's this?
That's, yeah, there we go. And straight back where it came from. So I'm gonna help this boy Henry lower it. Either way it should go easier.
Yeah. We got it.
Just like that. Would we recommend this? Only if you got balls of steel.
Yo.
If not, don't even think about it. But in our case, we're going for that static look, so you already know. And on top of that, we are gonna do a slight fender roll. Now we'll just repeat this on the other side. Static boy, gotta go crazy. That's my boy was riding static for sure. So quick demonstration. Pop these bolts out. Take the spring out. And then after we take the spring out, this bucket just, or basically this bolt, lower this bucket real quick, pop that out. And we're taking off the whole top of the sleeve just because, like I said, we're riding static. So spring is out. Let us know what we gotta take off, tuner. Just like that.
We don't need no more.
We don't need that no more because we're not gonna be adjusting it. We're gonna be straight static.
Full send it.
Full send. And if you guys don't know, Swift springs for the win. So grab your spring, have your helper hold it, and then literally all you gotta do is line it up, and then Johnson will slowly let it go. Go ahead, Johnson, slowly.
Let it go.
That guy. Yeah, now we just gotta tighten it and that'll be chill.
Quick fender roll.
Quick fender roll for this boy.
Just to make sure the Nismos don't get hit.
If you guys don't have a rolling tool, tap in. You're in the bay. We do it all. Quick heat, and then just quick slide, and we should be chilling. Quick glimpse into the whole procedure, you guys. So yeah, we are hitting up both sides. Other side was prepped and ready. This side's getting its first roll. Like I said, it's gonna be a minor roll just because we've already done the magazine roll on these fenders prior. But after that, it's really just a quick roll. Then we slap the wheels back on. After that, we can focus on the front and then give you guys the final result on how low this thing is basically sitting and a test drive. All right, brother, talk to the people. So first fender roll, you guys can see, perfect. No, I would say no flap, no bacon. Usually you want to clear, yeah, you just want to clear lip all the way through so when the wheel sits flush, it just, you know, doesn't hit anything. That being said, this side is set. We can basically slap the wheel back on. Fitment guard right here.
Tap in.
Tap in.
Tap
Fitment
in.
driver right here. Tap in as well. All complete, wheels going back on. This boy Johnson's about to be. We just told him he's got to be careful of who he picks up from now on. No more what, Henry?
Oh,
Now you guys, both wheels are on. About to lift it up, and then get an idea of how low this car is actually sitting with the new adjustments we just made. Let me know. Currently taking out the jack stands. We're gonna lower it and then slowly, like I said, we've only done the rear so far. We still gotta do the fronts, so stick with us. While this car comes down, if you haven't already done so, like, comment, subscribe.
like always.
Like always. What's it looking like? Oof, hold on. Currently sitting about, not even a finger, so I'll say like a pinky between fender and lip. We can go lower if we want to adjust the shock. Pretty static for sure. Here, go jump on it real quick.
I feel like don't go lower. Once we lower from the front.
That, and I feel like once you drive it too.
That too.
Yeah, you're tucking. You literally fended the lip right there. All right, y'all, some quick revisions. Pop the wheel off. We're gonna be addressing the actual shock. So what that means is we're gonna loosen up this ring right here. And then after that, we're gonna basically dismount the shock and start basically lowering this. That way it's a slightly more compressed, allowing us to drop the car even more and get a more static look. That being said, I'm gonna jump straight into it. So long story short, last time we actually installed the coilovers, we maxed them out, meaning these shocks, that's all they're maxed out at. So we took the bright decision of being hot boy static and what? Removing the complete spring completely, meaning we're gonna be riding on straight shocks. You guys see the top or the bottom hat? No spring.
Fucking Tay-Way.
You know it. Hey, if you're watching this video, you know, shout out to you. Love from the Bay Area. Let's get to it. We're gonna repeat the same procedure on the opposite side, and we're gonna send this thing out the garage one way or another. Let's get it.
We outside.
So that being said, you guys, let's find ourselves under the car yet again. I'm gonna be removing the shock bolt, and I'm gonna be removing this Swift spring. Why? Because we're actually going full send. This is gonna be an experiment for you guys. If it turns out well, we'll keep you guys updated on this, and then let you guys know if this car can survive here in the city. If you guys know the Bay Area, you know. If you know the area, you know.
I like that.
So let's get straight to it. Spring, kind of got pulled me though. You guys see it? Spring is out. This straight to the trash. And actually, we're gonna keep this because just in case. Now, reverse the process. Bolt back in to the shock, and we go from here. Update. Spring is out. Shock is good. Time to throw the wheel on. After that, lower the car. All right, you guys. Take two. Now that Johnson decided to do no spring. Here we go. Y'all ready for the full thing? 1, 2, 3.
A la verga. No mames. No. Allah.
I ain't no racing.
Holy shit.
There's no way of racing that shit. It's gonna stay like that.
So we may have kind of gone a little overboard. Tire is sitting literally on the fucking chassis.
What you mean? It's perfect. How are you?
I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks fire. But
Hey, one day.
One day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift it back up. We're gonna adjust the shock. Just because right now it's literally just sitting on the frame. So we will be back shortly. We're gonna lift it back up and
Bring me the grinder.
for real.
Let's start chopping shit, huh? Let's start chopping shit. No.
Take 3.
Take 3.
All right, go ahead, bro. Take who knows what. I think it's 3. Cars or shock. Shock's back on. We adjusted it accordingly. Let's see what it looks like once we lower this thing. Johnson is on handles with the jack. Oh, you brother. This boy hasn't been hitting the gym lately. That's why. Go ahead. There we go. Slowly. Chilling. Go ahead. Moment of truth, you guys. Moment of truth. That's it?
There you go.
Bruh, we're back at step 1. Lower it? Yeah. Bruh, we're back at step 1. All right, you guys, let us know what you guys think. Officially, fender to lip. That being said, when we got passengers or whatever, it will be tucking slightly. Now we jump to the front. Next thing's next, the front coilovers. So we're gonna loosen up this ring and then just max it out. After that, throw the wheel back on and go for a test drive. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all see it, fully maxed out. Now, put the wheel on and test run. Front's all dialed in, rear's all dialed in. All we gotta do, we're gonna pull it out, go for a quick test drive, show you guys the results. All right, you guys, quick test drive. We're about to find out how this thing drives. All right, y'all, so quick test drive. Reminder, setup right now. Fully maxed out coilovers in the front, rears, no springs.
Passenger seat belt. Please fasten driver seat belt.
Safety. Oh, we static for sure. I say go to the right and then we'll come back up or something.
I'll see you.
Or that too.
Or go
Or
right.
go, I say go right, go down. Oh, you static, bro.
A little bit. Okay, actually.
We static. Oh,
No,
God.
man, that shit go feel. Right?
Yeah, take it right. You say, you're gonna have to avoid all bumps now. All right, drive like cruise like you're cruising, I guess.
Alright. Me la llevo, mi amor.
Hey, kid, I really want to get a feel for what it feels like with like bumps and stuff. That boy is static. This boy's ready for the show.
For sure, then.
Quick POV of the driver right now. Let's see what it do. Especially now you got your exhaust. Quick look at it without the bumper. All right, you guys, bumper back on, fitment dialed in. We're gonna roll it off the wood. Yeah, and just like that, you guys cleared front fitment, rear fitment tucking like crazy, blast pipes, clears, you name it. That boy back in business, y'all. Let us know what y'all think about the fitment. All right, you guys, with that being said, we are currently on our way to get some food. You see we're still riding static. So Johnson has his fitment on point now. And just like that, we're gonna be closing it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you guys, keep it authentic till the next one. Peace.